Right now, there is a storm system that's causing everything from tornadoes to the south to snow further north across this country.
Yeah, it is a massive system. Angela's got to look at the damage it's causing people from the south up to the plains, right?
Yeah, we're feeling it with heavy rain here, but no tornadoes and no blizzard warnings locally. This storm system is a powerful storm system. Take a look at the tornado damage in Louisiana. We saw this hit a neighborhood yesterday, but it's not just tornadoes causing problems across the country tonight.
We got 2 tornadoes on the ground doing damage right now. Oh my goodness.
The overwhelming power of the weather. 2 tornadoes merging in South Louisiana.
The blue flashes you see, power flashes. Those are power lines failing. The transformers blowing there. Look, that's probably a roof that's being lofted up in the atmosphere.
Remnants from a string of deadly tornadoes stretch for miles. The early morning storms leaving at least 2 dead, a mom and her 8-year-old daughter. Dozens injured and survivors struggling to piece together what the twisters left behind.
This my house right here, y'all. My house is just gone. Y'all, this was a whole trailer park, y'all. It was 10 trailers right here. It ain't number 2 trailers left standing.
Mississippi also hit hard. Buildings ripped open, power lines pulled down, the violent weather part of a massive storm system spreading out across the country. The high plains getting blasted by snow and ice.
A lot of long hours, and these guys do a great job at what they do.
Plows struggling to keep up in conditions not fit for man or beast.
We think there's going to be a lot of wind with it, and so we decided we're going to move all the cows back into the lots just so we don't have to drift cows.
And the warning, the storm system will continue to cause major problems as it moves to the northeast over the next couple of days.
So I think a lot of people are wondering, are we going to get any snow?
No snow from this storm system. We will get the cold air on the backside of this weather system. That does bring us a few flurries and a couple of snow showers. But we mentioned the northeast. They're going to be dealing with a nor'easter, especially the inland areas, not necessarily the coastal sections, but the inland areas, a lot of snow. I'm going to show you a big view of radar, that area of the country under winter storm warnings at this hour. We have just wet roads, low visibility. I had a couple people say, oh, I really don't like cold rain. I'd much rather have snow. I'm kind of with you. We've got headlights on. That's a good idea early this evening. The roads are wet and visibility at times will be low, and we're monitoring around a very heavy rain that's moving back into the area this evening. You can see clouds and temperatures in the 40s and 50s. We have 44 degrees currently in Connersville, 51 Bedford, low visibility rain continuing to fall off and on in Greensburg, and you can see that low cloud deck over downtown Indianapolis where we also have 48 degrees. The showers starting to move from south to north. Give you a close-up view of some of the steadier rain that's coming out of Bloomington and Ellettsville, right over Martinsville, continuing to move north. Danville, Greencastle, you will be next. We also have some steady rain falling in Franklin and Nineveh, south of Indianapolis along Interstate 65. Greenwood, Beech Grove, get ready. That is moving your way. You can see that heavy rain approaching Greenwood, Mooresville right now, and the Greencastle area, and this is just the beginning. Expanding the view on radar, you can see everything that is to our south and southwest is getting ready to move our way. So we could easily see an additional inch of rain across a good part of central Indiana. They remain under blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings off to the west, and there's that nor'easter I mentioned. They're now under winter storm warnings across parts of New York and the northeast. So we'll continue to keep you posted. This weather system has a lot of rain with it, and we're going to be dealing with it now through 11 o'clock. This is 11 with Future Track 13. Rain starts to taper off around 1 a.m. By early tomorrow, the heaviest rain is gone. We'll stick with clouds and maybe a little bit of drizzle early in the day. Should break out into some sunshine. It's going to be a breezy day with high temperatures 40 to 45. As the colder air wraps into the backside of this weather system, we may squeeze out a few rain and snow showers this time tomorrow. The accumulating snow stays to our north, but we can't rule out some scattered snow showers as we hit Friday and Saturday. And here's when we have highs only in the 30s starting Friday and as we head into the weekend. Be careful if you're out tonight. Rain is really going to be heavy at times. As we get into tomorrow, 40 to 45, it'll be a breezy day with some sunshine. Late day mixed rain and snow showers as the cold air arrives, and we're really going to feel that temperature drop. 30s for highs Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A couple snow showers around on Saturday, and this chill looks to stick around through the end of the year.